Hi, my dear students. Now we discuss about the bacteria reproduction. Bacteria reproduction means the bacteria increasing their population by using the several methods. Number one is the binary fission method. This binary fission, already we discussed this word in a first year botany, sexual reproduction in plants or reproduction in plants. Okay, so what is the meaning of the binary fission? Look here, this is the bacterial mother cell. This cell is split into two daughter cells. This kind of reproduction is called binary fission. Okay, look here, the dividing bacterial cell produces the two genetically identical daughter cells. It takes 20 minutes in some bacteria. Okay, means this is the timing in bacteria. Thus bacteria takes 20 minutes in some some bacteria. Okay, so next one, sexual reproduction in bacteria, especially the true sexual reproduction is absent in bacteria. Okay, look, sexual reproduction is done by exchange of genetic material between two cells. Sexual reproduction is done by the sharing of the genetic material between the two bacterial cells. This kind of reproduction is called sexual reproduction in bacteria. The sexual reproduction is in three ways. How many ways? Three ways. Number one is the conjugation. Okay, conjugation, look here. In this process, two live bacteria come together and the donor cell directly transferred to the recipient cell. This process was first observed in 1946 by Laderberg and Tatum in E. coli. Observe here. What I am seeing here, conjugation. Conjugation means here two cells. This is the F plus cell. This is the F minus bacterial cell. The F plus bacterial cell is act like donor. This one is act like a recipient cell. These two cells connected with the one pilus. That one is the sex pilus. This is the sex pilus. This sex pilus is involved in sharing the genetic material from the donor to the recipient. So finally, the recipient cell absorbs the genetic material from the F plus cell. So this is the conjugation. Next one, transformation. Transformation means look, this type of bacterial genetic recombinations was discovered by Frederick Griffith in Streptococcus pneumonia. So transformation was discovered by the Frederick Griffith. In which bacteria? Streptococcus pneumonia. Transformation means definition of the transformation. Look here, transformation is the uptake of naked DNA fragments from the surrounding environment. Look, transformation is the uptake of naked DNA fragments from the surrounding environment. Okay, next one, transduction. This is the transformation. This is the transduction. Look, transduction, the transfer of genetic material from one bacterium to another bacteriophage. Okay, this process is called transduction. Look what I am saying here. Transduction means the transfer of genetic material from one bacterium to another bacteriophage. Okay, this process is known as transduction. It was discovered in 1951 by Laderberg and Ginder in Salmonella typhi murium. Okay, next one. So next one, the importance of bacteria to humans. humans. Okay, the bacteria are also providing the benefits, several benefits to the human beings. Okay, and also causes the several diseases in plants, animals, and human beings are also. Okay, so bacteria causes the several diseases in human beings, you know. Okay, so bacteria are known to, okay, here bacteria are known to causes disease plants, animals, in human beings. Yet many bacteria are directly or indirectly, okay, beneficial to humans. Okay, hence they are the considered as both as friends and foes of man. Look, several diseases in human beings. Clostridium tetani, it is caused tetanus. Clostridium botulism, food poison. Vibrio cholera. Salmonella typhoid. Corynebacterium diphtheria. Mycobacterium leprosy. Diplococcus pneumonia. Neisseria gonorrhea. Treponema pallidum, syphilis. Okay, bacterial diseases in plants. Blight of rice, Xanthomonas veraceae. Citrus canker, Xanthomonas citrae. అంటే వరిలో వస్తే వరజే, నిమ్మలో వస్తే సిట్రే. అంటే వరిలో అగ్గి తీగలు, నిమ్మలో గజ్జి తీగలు అంటుంటారు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద బ్యాక్టీరియా, దీస్ ఆర్ ద డిసీజెస్ ఇన్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్. వాట్ వాజ్ దట్ వన్? టెటానస్, botulism, cholera, typhoid, diphtheria, leprosy, pneumonia, gonorrhea, syphilis.